Have you ever wondered what sound do nebulae make? While space itself is silent due to the vacuum, scientists can create sounds of nebula through a process called sonification. They convert astronomical data, like the light waves from a nebula, into sound waves. Essentially, they map the intensity and frequency of light to different pitches and volumes. Instruments on telescopes, like the Hubble or Chandra, capture this data across various spectra, including infrared and X-ray. By assigning these data points to specific tones, we get an audible representation of what a nebula might sound like. It's a way to translate the beauty of space into a new sensory experience. And it sounds like this.